Hey team, it's Kyra from Hal Interiors, and today's topic is all about a transitional design style. A transitional design is the combination of traditional and modern, all put together. And what that looks like is very neutral tones. You're going to see a lot of whites, browns, grays. If there's any color, it'll be oftentimes more on the darker side. So a really dark navy blue, a hunter green, maybe leather would be incorporated in this color scheme. There's going to be a lot of neutral and natural elements such as wood. You'll see a lot of wood wherever it can be incorporated. The wood is kind of our safety net in creating the separation, because not only does it create such a beautiful feeling into the space, but aesthetically it looks so beautiful. Now, a lot of people like color, and we don't discourage color. We think color is fun. But in a transitional design, you'll mostly see colors in pillows, rugs, a throw blanket, and maybe artwork, not so much in accessories. So accessories in a transitional design is very minimalistic. When designing a transitional kitchen, the magic word is declutter, and it's got to look clean in there. Everything's got to have nice clean lines. It's got to feel airy and comfortable. Your kitchen oftentimes in a transitional design will not have any appliances just laying around. You'll see beautiful finishes such as the brass. And it is also very encouraged in a transitional design, because it's so timeless, to stick to the nickels in finishes. So if you're doing a polished nickel, depending on your final cabinetry tone or your cabinetry color, that still is a very transitional and timeless approach. In a transitional design, you really won't see pattern tiles. Everything is going to be super clean, very, very minimalistic, very neutral. In an open concept space, it's always encouraged to have the floors just flow right through into the kitchen. If there is a tile that has accent to it, then we would incorporate that accent tile somewhere else in a smaller space, such as a wet bar, a dry bar, a coffee station, a laundry room. So something that's more on the smaller side that needs a little bit of character, then we would incorporate some sort of pattern tile. Before your open space or your kitchen, we don't recommend a pattern tile. There's always the wall paneling approach. And wall paneling creates definition in the wall if you don't want it to just be super blank. I know a lot of people can do wall paneling as an accent wall. In a transitional design, you won't oftentimes see accent walls. Accent walls is not considered timeless in a transitional design. So if you're doing paneling in one wall, we say panel everything. Panel the entire room. Adding a muted, beautiful wallpaper is also very favored in a transitional design. When designing a bedroom, we say in the bedroom, have fun, get playful, but bring in neutral tones such as your light fixtures, your lamps, your light fixture, your textures and your curtains, your bedding, but everything else, keep it clean, keep it modern. If you're looking for a style that's more on the calming and timeless and cozy, then a transitional design style is definitely an approach for you. But if you're someone that likes to be bold and do fun colors and fun wallpaper and likes things to be super extravagant, and like if you have a light fixture and you want it to be super extravagant and you want to show like gold and purple and all of this, then a transitional design is not for you. But there is a design for you, which I will discuss in the future. So be on the lookout so you can find out more about different design styles. But if you are leaning towards a transitional design style approach, just note that it's going to be very calming, very soothing, very beautifully executed, very muted, and what I like to say, one of the best design style approaches. But everyone's for their own, and so do what makes you happy.